Good morning, period one. I just wanted to show you a couple things about Quill that I see on my end because I thought this might be helpful to you on what I'm looking for and also a little bit of motivation so that you see the progress that you're making and how I actually see that on my end. So I'm going to take you to a report. Notice that I have my nice pink cursor right there so you can follow along. I'm going to take you to the report that I see. Um, so you'll see this actually has your scores. I'm going to switch over to period one. It actually does have your scores. You could see one student was not yet proficient, two students were nearly proficient, and three students were proficient. So that's kind of why I'm having some of you work on some of these things to get everybody up here to be this green area. So the recommendations from the program were, if you see this down here, you can see that if it's in blue, it's something that the program recommended that you work on. So you'll see like here, Omar had something like for to be that he should work on. He didn't need work on single adjectives, but he needed some work or suggestions to work on some other things. You can see down here, Herman didn't need work on to be or single adjectives. He just needed some work on to have and to want, and then listing adjectives. So then you'll see the green check marks. Those are actually the programs that I've assigned to you to work on so that you can develop those skills that you need. All right, so that's how I made the choice of things that you should work on. All right, so the other thing that I can see is if I go to the activity summary screen on my end, I can actually see what you're working on. And you'll see as I scroll down, things that are completed and show that you're proficient are in green, nearly proficient is in orange, and then not yet would say you need more work, and that would be in red. So if I scroll down, I can see that Omar worked on something today, and he came out as proficient. Abby started something, but he's not done with it yet, so I'm not getting that. Elizabeth did all of these programs and she got proficient green on everything. So she's in great shape. Also, Desley worked on a lot of activities and she got greens, and then Dacus has been working on it too. So, and she's also got proficient, which is really, really great because these were things that you, when I did the diagnostic originally, suggested that you still needed work on. So I can already see that you're making progress on your learning. Um, so if you haven't got to it yet, or if you're not seeing things assigned to you, please let me know. And if you need help with that, you can either email me or you and I can set up a hangout so that we can get you going on this program. Um, so if you have any questions on it, please, again, just feel free to email me. All right. So I did post one question for you to answer in Google Classroom today, just about how you're doing, what you've had a chance to work on, and what you guys are thinking of Quill. All right. So if you could answer that for me, and then you've got 2 more days to do your work. Let me know if you need any help or if you're going to need extra time. Okay. Thanks, guys. Hope you have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye.